Welcome back. When working with strings in Python, you often encounter situations where you need to include special characters, such as quotes or newlines, that normally terminate the string. This is where escape characters come in, allowing you to insert these literal symbols using a backslash. 1. Escaping quotes. A common use case is inserting a quote inside a string that is defined by the same type of quote. We use a backslash to tell Python to treat the quote literally. 2. Common escape sequences. Besides quotes, Python supports several common escape sequences for formatting and special characters. The backslash n inserts a new line and backslash t inserts a horizontal tab space. 3. The raw string. When dealing with file paths, especially on Windows, or when using regular expressions, Python's default interpretation of backslashes can lead to errors, as you saw with the truncated Unicode escape. The solution is the raw string. By prefixing the string with "r", we instruct Python to treat every backslash literally, resolving the Unicode error and correctly representing the file path. To summarize, use the backslash to escape characters and insert special formatting. Use raw strings when you need to treat backslashes as literal characters, particularly for file paths or complex patterns, to avoid unexpected syntax errors. In our next lecture, 05-03, Constants, we'll discuss how to define and use constants in Python, a concept important for writing clean and maintainable code. See you there.